Roscón de Reyes, or simply Roscón, is a traditional Spanish cake used to celebrate the coming of the three magic kings on the 6th of January. In this video, the Bulldogz team will show you how to make your very own at home. Take an ordinary donut, like this, and cut it in half in one slice in the traditional manner. Now it's time for the filling, which is, cream. Shake before using. Now squirt it, baby. Yeah. Like all Mediterranean food, presentation is key. Now place in a preheated oven at 250 degrees for 1 hour. Your magical king donut is now ready to be consumed. It should look something like this. If it doesn't, stick it back in the oven for another hour. It's now time to test the fruits of your labour, so cut yourself a big slice and get ready to enjoy. Roscón is not just ordinary food, it's Spanish food, so there is tradition baked into the cake itself. You may find a surprise. The surprise is usually some kind of toy or a bean. If you find the bean, it means you have to pay for the Roscón. Introducing Bulldogz Bonus Fusion Food. Inspired by British chef Jamie Oliver and his paella sandwich, Bulldogz has created the perfect British Roscón. Slice your donut with one cut in the traditional way. Add jamón de York or York ham. Add some cream for that sweet, delicious taste. And a lovely slice of cheese. Et voila! Where Britain meets Spain, we find the ultimate evolution in the culinary experience. Be a part of history and send us your recipe suggestions.